Welcome back to Math with Tan. Today, we are given that sine x plus cosine x equals 7 over 17, where x is between 0 and pi. Our goal is to evaluate tangent x. Let's start by squaring both sides of our given equation. Expanding the left side, we get sine squared x plus 2 sine x cosine x plus cosine squared x equals 49 over 289. Recall the fundamental Pythagorean identity. Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Substituting this in, we isolate the middle term to find that 2 sine x cosine x equals negative 240 over 289. Now, let us calculate the value of sine x minus cosine x squared. This simplifies to 1 minus 2 sine x cosine x. Taking the square root gives us positive or negative 23 over 17. But which one is it? We must look at our domain. Since x is strictly between 0 and pi, sine x is positive. And because the product of sine and cosine is negative, cosine x must be negative. A positive minus a negative yields a positive. Therefore, we select the positive root, 23 over 17. We now have a simple system of linear equations. Adding the two equations, we easily find that sine x equals 15 over 17. Subtracting the equations gives us cosine x equals negative 8 over 17. Finally, calculating tangent x as sine over cosine, we arrive at our final exact answer, negative 15 over 8. Now it's your turn. Here is a similar problem to test your understanding. Solve it, and let me know your exact answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more mathematics videos. See you next time.